Akwaaba, peace and blessings. Once again, welcome back to my channel. This is your mother, your grandmother, your great-grandmother, your sister, your niece, your auntie, your cousin, your daughter, and your friend. And all that is good. Akwaaba, welcome you guys. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you guys it's raining out here in Ghana. Yeah. And that breeze coming through the window here feels so good. I've been up in here sweating and going on in the house. But anyway, this is what's happening tonight out here in Ghana, West Africa. It is rainy season. Yep. I hope all is well with everyone out there, wherever you may be. I hope all is going well with you. Water hardly ever get up here on the front porch. But I'm filming out of my bedroom window. Well, my other bedroom window. You all know my other place I live is up there in Koforidia, and now I'm out here in Kokorobite, filming out my window. Yeah, this great big old patio window. Let me step back so you can see. But I got the light off so you all can be able to see the rainfall. So that's why it's dark in my room. But I'm pulling back, coming back on this side. Hold up. You still can see the rain out the window from this distance. I'm across on the other side of the room. Yeah, it's pouring down. Let me go out here. You can hear the rain pouring too. Now I'm in the living room. Wow, look at the rain pour. Look at that water come down off the roof, you guys. The wind is picking up. This is out here in Ghana, West Africa. Whoa. Ooh, it's lightning. Let me get... Whoa, it's lightning outside. Wow, look at the wind, the rain pour down. I'm in the kitchen now. Look how the water hitting. The water hitting that window. Ooh, that water is coming down.